Unknown people can intentionally plan accident in your plant facility and you remain unaware. The critical question is, why would someone take an extreme step in sabotaging a business? Hi, I am Rajendra Utturkar, the author of the book 𝗀𝗏 Your Profits. I am on a mission to help process plant facility owners and their management team for safe and efficient plant operations. It was a late evening on 17th April 2013 in West Fertilizer Company, West City, Texas, USA. People in the company were preparing to call off the day and suddenly a big fire erupted. Within just 20 minutes, a massive explosion occurred. The blast was with a force of 7.5 to 10 tons of TNT and sent a shockwave across, damaging and destroying many nearby buildings and homes. It created a 93 feet wide crater. The incident resulted in 15 deaths and more than 160 injuries. The accident at West Fertilizer Company is a classic example of plant facility sabotaging. Can you imagine yourself in a situation similar to West Fertilizer case? At least once during your plant life cycle? I hope you never be in that position, but you must be fully aware of it and prepare to combat it. Unknown people can intentionally plan accident in your plant facility like the West Fertilizer Company and you remain unaware. The critical question is, why would someone take an extreme step in sabotaging a business? Especially knowing that if found guilty of an act of arson, the minimum punishment would be life imprisonment. No one would opt for this kind of action unless the perceived reason is much stronger than the expected punishment and the aftermath. In my last video on West Fertilizer explosion, I asked a few questions. Do you remember those? They were: how do you know someone is intentionally planting accident in your factory? Who could be such people? And how do you prevent such acts? Can our current knowledge of accident and safety address the act of sabotage? Hence, prediction, prevention and avoidance of sabotaging actions are just impossible. You will know about the act of arsenal only upon its happening. Then, what is the solution? We need to change our paradigm to view an accident and to understand safety. Then only we will be able to upgrade our knowledge and skills to overcome such sabotaging acts. To facilitate you, I have developed a new theory for safe plant operation in my book 𝗀𝗏 Your Profits. You can learn more in the book about the accident caused by sabotaging acts and how to avoid them. People often perceive consequences as root causes and hence accident keeps repeating. Through my book, you will be able to break this pattern of repeated accidents and can access beyond perceived consequences. The new ability to see beyond traditional consequences will open new doors for accessing true root causes, including accident by sabotaging, that is hidden inside your business assets. Still, you are here watching my video. Rush and grab your copy of my book 𝗀𝗏 Your Profits. Before that, please leave your comment below to share your thoughts and experiences about this video. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to avoid missing any of my videos I make especially for you. Till then, here is Rajendra Utturkar signing off for now and see you in my next video.